So here we have our new baby chicks just arrived. I've got my little identification chart here because most of these breeds are new to me. If I'm getting it right, this little guy here will be the pure white snowy Easter egger with the little white tuft on top. This one with the brown stripe, he won't stand still, is a Welsomer, and she'll lay eggs in some shades of brown. Sometimes the shades will vary from early spring till late in the fall and through the winter. The Ancona, which I believe is this little scaredy cat here, she seems to always by herself, she'll be the only one that will lay a white egg. All the rest of them are brown or going to a lot of green and blue. We have one of these little ladies, has this one. You see she has a little purple band on her leg. That's to mark her. She is the olive egg layer. Her eggs will be somewhere between medium green to dark, what they actually call army green. This other brown, let me see, she is, she's on another Easter egger, Welsomer. I think she's another one of the Easter eggers, and her eggs will be anywhere from light tan, usually they're blue or green. If I get really lucky, they will be pink. And one of these other three black ones is, one of them is a silver marin, which will wear brown or lay brown to dark brown eggs. One is a barred rock, which I've had before, and they're really cute, and I'm thinking that's the one that's eating right there. It's real hard to say till their colors start coming in better. She'll lay really big brown eggs. And the other dark brown one she could be another Easter egger. We'll find out, but for now, we'll let them get settled in. Here's the little ladies. It's Sunday. They will be 1 week old tomorrow. You can probably see how much bigger they've grown in just 1 week. It's pretty incredible. We did lose the little Ancona. She didn't make it. Maybe if I had known more about chickens, I could have saved her, but I don't think so. Sometimes, I guess, being transported is just too much for some of them. It's exhausting work to be hatched, and she was just too weak to handle it. But anyway, I was wrong about the long yellow one. Let's see where she is here, hiding. There we go. That's a golden buff. I looked it up, and she will be laying brown eggs, but she, along with the barred rock, are considered to be very prolific. None of them are going to be slouchers, but some chickens just lay more eggs than others do. On a side note, chickens are born with X number of eggs in them. Females are similar to women, and when they run out, they run out. So sometimes the factories they go by daylight. They'll lay one egg approximately every 26 hours or so. It varies by chicken, by breed. But they lay less in the winter, which makes sense because baby chicks would have a harder time surviving the winter than they would warmer weather. And they lay more in the longer days when the weather is warmer. Some factories will leave the lights on 24 hours a day, so the chickens lay more often. You know, it's a business, nothing against our egg farmers at all. But then the chickens stop laying sooner, and many become meat birds. I don't know what happens to the ones that aren't meat birds, but most of the farmers, I'm sure, are raising chickens that are what they call dual purpose, so that when they do stop laying eggs, they can be sold for meat. You wouldn't want to lose that. When we had our flock, we just kept feeding them. If they stopped laying, they stopped laying, and so what? They were more like pets than certainly weren't a business. But here they are, and they're getting big. Haven't named any yet, except for I think I'm going to call the olive egger Sergeant, because they say the eggs will be army green, but I haven't given them any names yet. Nobody's going to be called Nugget or Parmesan or some of the other ideas that my daughters have suggested. Well, maybe they will. We'll see. Maybe I'll have a chick naming contest on the blog. I think I did that before. It was kind of fun. But there you go. I'll keep you up to date. Bye.